Okay, we're going to go ahead and solve for x here. This is your homework for tonight. Subtract the 1. 6x is greater than or equal to 24. Divide both sides by 6. X is greater than or equal to 4. Go ahead and put 4 on the number line. It is greater than or equal to, so it's going to be a solid dot, and then I'm going to shade to the right. Okay? Next, same exact concept. We're going to go ahead and distribute. Negative 2x minus 8 is less than 2. Then I'm going to go ahead and add 8 to both sides. So negative 2x is less than 10. Now I need to solve for the x, so how do I go about that? I'm going to go ahead and divide by negative 2. But check it out. When I divide by a negative, I must flip the inequality symbol to give me x is now greater than negative 5. Putting negative 5 on the number line, it is an open dot, and I'm shading to the right now. Next, number 10, distribute. 6x plus 21 is less than 6x minus 10. So I'm going to subtract 6x, and I have 21 is less than negative 10. When is 21 less than negative 10? Sometimes, always, or never. 21 is never less than that, so that is never true, which means there is no solution possible for this problem. Write, solve, and graph the inequality. 4 times a number. Times means multiplication. A number is x because we don't know it. So I have 4 times x is strictly greater than negative 48. I wrote it, I solve it, and I have x is greater than negative 12. And then I graph it. Here's negative 12. It is an open dot, and I shade to the right. Last one, same exact instructions. The sum means plus of a number, I don't know what the number is, so it's x, and 81. So I'm adding x and 81 together, is greater than, so strictly greater than, the product of negative 2. Product means multiplication of negative 2 and that number, which is going to be x. So solve this, I subtract x, and I have 81 is greater than negative 3x. Divide by negative 3, and your brain should have an alarm sounding because I divided by a negative number, so my brain should say, hey, I need to flip the sign. So go ahead and flip that. And negative 27 is less than x. Do we like the way that's written? Probably not. So we need to go ahead and pick that up and turn it around. So that's going to be x. The arrow was pointing toward the 27, so we're going to make it point toward the negative 27 here. So I have, whoopsie, don't know what I was doing there, y'all. So I have negative 27 there, an open dot, and shade to the right. That's your homework.